Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, exponents. Exponents means a shortcut form of writing the multiplied numbers. Just like suppose that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can see that 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. It is taking a very long space. There is a shortcut form of writing it. See, it can be written as 2 to the power 4. The number which is multiplied by itself, that becomes base, and how many times the number is, that becomes the power or exponent. Here this 2 is called base and this 4 is called exponent. And this method of writing, this is called the exponential notation. See one more example. Suppose that a into a n times a is multiplied. A is multiplied itself by n times, then it can be written as a to the power n, where a is the base, n is the power or exponent. We will read it a to the power n or a exponent n. Okay. Now, before starting the exercise, we will learn some laws. So, what are the laws? See here. The first law is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Means, if bases are equal, then in the case of multiplication, exponents will be added. In the case of multiplication, if bases are same, then exponent will be added. See the example. Suppose minus 3 to the power 7 is multiplied by minus 3 to the power 10. Here bases are same and they are multiplied, so exponents will be added. So it can be written as minus 3 to the power 7 plus 10 means minus 3 to the power 17. That is the answer. Okay. Now see the second one. If a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, in the case of division, the exponents are subtracted each other. See the example. Minus 5 by 8 to the power 17 divided by minus 8 to the power 9. See here, it will become minus 5 by 8 to the power 17 minus 9, because bases are equal and there is division, so exponents will be subtracted. So it will become minus 5 by 8 to the power 8. Understood? This is the second law. Third law is a to the power m to the power n. If exponent over exponent is there, then both the exponents are multiplied. A to the power m into n it will be. Understood? This is the third law. See the example. Suppose that minus 7 to the power 3 to the power 6. Exponent over exponent will be multiplied. So 6 into 3. That means minus 7 to the power 18. Okay? These three are the basic laws of the exponents. Now see some more. The fourth one. If exponent is 0, then its value is always 1. Whatever the base is there, suppose you write 100 to the power 0, that is also 1. If you write x to the power 0, that is also 1. If you write 3 by 8 to the power 0, then that is also 1. That means whatever is the base, that doesn't matter. If exponent is 0, then its value is always 1. Now, if exponent is negative, then we write the reciprocal of the base, then it becomes positive. To make the exponent positive, we write the reciprocal of the base. This can be written in this way also. A to the power n can be written as 1 upon a to the power minus n. Okay? See the example. Suppose 3 to the power minus 7. Then it will become 1 upon 3 to the power 7. Okay? If exponent is negative, then we will write the reciprocal of the base. Now see the sixth one. Suppose that in the case of multiplication, the bases are different but exponents are same. If bases are different but exponents are same, in this case, first bases will be multiplied and then exponent will be taken. Okay? See the example. 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Then it will become 3 into 5 to the power 6. That means 15 to the power 6. Okay? Exponents are similar and bases are different. Then bases will be multiplied and exponent will be taken once. Okay? Now see seventh one. Same process is in the case of division also. In the case of division, if bases are different and exponents are same, then first bases are dividing each other and then we take the exponent. See the example. Suppose that 15 to the power 6 is divided by 3 to the power 6. Okay, so how to do it? First we will divide the bases, 15 divided by 3, and then we will take the exponent. Okay, 15 divided by 3 is 5, so 5 to the power 6 will be the answer. Understood? These 7 mostly you will use in your exercise. Now the last one is, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. Suppose two exponential notations are equal given in the question, then definitely bases will also be equal. Okay? If two exponential notations are equal, then their exponents will also be equal. Okay? See the example. Suppose that 3 to the power a is equal to 3 to the power b, then automatically a is equal to b. Okay? Now pause the video and note down these things so that we can start your exercise. Now we are going to start your exercise. Here the first question is evaluate this. That means exponential notation is given, you have to find its value. Here minus 5 by 6 to the power 4 means this minus 5 by 6 is multiplied by itself 4 times. This is the meaning of it. Now multiply. In the case of multiplication, numerators are multiplied with numerators and denominators are multiplied by denominators. So see here, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, 125 into 5 is 625, 625, and it will become positive because minus into minus becomes plus, plus into minus becomes minus, again minus into minus becomes plus. So numerator is positive. Now denominator, 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 6, 216. 216 into 6 will be 1296. Okay, when you multiply all the bases you will get 1296. So that will be your answer. Understood? Now see here, express this number in exponential notation. 256 upon 625. we have to convert it into exponential form. By prime factorization, you have to see 256 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32, 2 the 64, 2 the 128, 2 the 256. When you do find the prime factorization of 256, you will get this number upon 625 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, yani 4 times 5. Understood? Now see here. Since denominator is 4 times only, so you are finding the answer 2 to the power 8 upon 5 to the power 4. This answer is also correct. This answer is also correct, but we can write it in this form also. 4 into 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 4 upon 5 to the power 4. See here, there are two methods of writing and both are the correct. If you separate the 256 by prime factorization, 2 is coming 8 times. So it can be written as 2 to the power 8. Denominator is coming 4 times, so it can be written as 5 to the power 4. So this answer is also correct. If you wish, since denominator is 4 times, we can arrange the numerator also 4 times. That will be 4. 4 is multiplied itself by 4 times, so it can be written as 4 by 5 to the power 4. So both the answers are correct. You can learn any one or you can do practice for both. Okay. Now see here the third question. You have to simplify it. You can see that bases are same and here multiplication case is there. So first law you will apply here. Exponents will be added, so it will become minus 2 by 7 to the power 15. In the case of multiplication, if bases are same, then exponents are added. So 7 and 8 will be added and it becomes 15. That is your answer. Okay. Now see the second one. Again bases are same. And in the case of division, exponents are subtracted each other. So 7 by 2 to the power 3. If exponent is small, so that we can calculate, then always give your answer in the rational number. If we can calculate, if exponent is very large, like power 8, power 9, power 10, then we will not calculate. But if exponent is small and we can calculate, then we will calculate and then we will give the answer. 7 into 7 into 7 is 343. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 is 8. So 343 upon 8 will be your answer. Okay. Now see third question. Here exponent over exponent are applied, so both will be multiplied. Minus 3 by 2 to the power 6. Okay, you can leave your answer here because exponent number is very large, so you can leave it. Now see the last one. Minus 3 to the power 11 minus 5 it will be, because minus 3 to the power 11 upon minus 3 to the power 5. That is the case of division. In case of division, exponents are subtracted, so you can write it minus 3 to the power 6. Understood? Now pause the video and note down these questions.